Well, hello there, I'm ready from your dinner and welcome to a new episode. Today we are making Jodekoeken. This is a typical Dutch cookie and very popular here. It's a type of sand biscuit and super delicious. If you have one, you want two, and if you have two, you want three. But yeah, that's what cookies are for, aren't they? So, let's start. You need butter to make cookies, so grab a bowl and add the butter. Grate the zest of a lemon for some freshness. This is Basterdsuiker. It's basically a white version of dark brown sugar. I'm using white and a tiny amount of light brown sugar for extra flavor. Mix this together and add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. You only need half an egg. So add it to the bowl and give it a good mix. The wet ingredients are in, so now for the dry ingredients. Add all of the flour and 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Also add a pinch of salt. Mix this all by hand. Wrap it in some cling film and let it rest in the fridge for at least 1 hour. Here's a close-up of my dog while he is chilling. I love this guy so much. Anyhow, we need to roll out our dough. So dust the work surface with flour and roll out the dough. If there are some cracks, just patch them up again. Push the cookie cutter into the dough and remove the excess. You can roll this out for more cookies. Place them on a baking tray and bake them for 14 to 19 minutes in a 170 Celsius oven. I wanted to show you the difference between cookies I didn't chill in the fridge before baking and with ones I did chill for 10 minutes. The ones I've chilled are looking way better, so make sure to put them in your fridge before baking. Enjoy! And that's it. I want to thank you for watching. Enjoy baking and cooking. Let me know down in the comments what recipe you want to see next. Hit the like and the subscribe button if you like this video. And of course, I see you in the next one.